Plot Yerr/Xerr shaded region rather than error bars. In matplotlib, how do I plot error as a shaded region rather than error bars? For example, rather than
ignoring the smooth interpolation between points in your example graph, that would require doing some manual interpolation, or just have a higher resolution of your data, you can use matplotlib.fill_between. See also the matplotlib examples.
This is basically the same answer provided by Yerr, but extended to show off some cool options of fill_between.
If you want to see more email, please consider subscribing.